Hi, my name is Max, and I'm the founder of Greenlux, which is the first digital holding of sustainable luxury pret-a-porter micro brands. And I'm part of the EquityPilot program, which is a great opportunity because FasterCapital it works as a link between all the interests of entrepreneurs and the investors. So they've been helping me, giving me all kind of inputs about how to improve my pitch deck and make it more interesting for all kind of investors. And uh, they were all really handy, giving me advices, and I think it's a really good partnership. And I'm sure they can help me to find the right fit because finding an investor is not only about money, is finding the people who are going to work good together. So it means a lot of common interest between them. So I think they are doing a great job, and I'm super proud of being part of this project. Thank you.